Okay, FZ lovers, here we are on a beautiful Sunday morning here in Ontario, Canada. Here's where we are in the FZ600, which we've named Roxy because of all the rocks and pebbles we found lodged into various areas of the chassis. We are going to be tearing down the carburetors. From what I've learned, okay, so there was a K&N air filter. Apparently it has a stage 1 dyno jet kit. And it's got the Vance & Hines exhaust, which I really like, the pipe. The carbs were so gummed up when I was initially trying the throttle here to get everything moving. It wouldn't even work. It felt like the bar here was seized. I got everything freed up. I got it working, like in terms of the mechanisms, but there was a ton of tar, sort of a gummy material down in here, and by the looks of it, it looks like there was a fuel leak down here. So I'm thinking that the float's probably stuck, and fuel would just piss out if I tried to start it. So I'm not going to try and start it in its state. I did get all the lights working. Electrics work good. The new battery. So none of the I don't think we're going to have the wiring issues. And I did touch the starter just to make sure that it would make a noise. It did. That's as far as I have. I do want to change the oil before I start anyway. So we've got some work to do. But until then, I'm going out for a ride on Fiona. Over and out.